Good morning, YouTube. It's Dave here, calling you from the inside of the gym, inside of the Go Gym sauna room. It's a room that's extremely hot. I don't plan to use the camera very much because it's gonna overheat. So we'll see what happens. Mm. Oh, the water's warm. Water was a little bit cold when it came in, but it's warm now. And that's because the sun's not even out yet. Oh, it feels good. I hope this comes out well. This being the Insta360 Go 2. It's just, it happens maybe out of bad luck, but after I received this thing in the mail, a day later my Insta360 1X2 messed up. That one's on its way to China. Hopefully it'll get fixed. If not, I'll have to wait and buy another 1X2. In the meantime, I can enjoy this Go 2 anyways, since it is waterproof. Oh my gosh. You know, if I don't do any exercise, this water does tend to get a little bit cold. And the jacuzzi, I used to complain because the jacuzzi wasn't hot enough. Now I can't even last that long. Your skin starts to peel away of how hot that thing is. Practically boiling, boiling hot. Oh my gosh. Anyways, it'll be okay. If I can't save the camera, I'll just get another one. Those Insta360 1X2s, they're good cameras. They remind me of the GoPro Plus, the GoPro Max, except the GoPro Max isn't clear underwater, not even in vlog mode. And yet the Insta360 1X2 is very clear underwater, on vlog mode or hero mode or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna go back. The water's getting cold. I'm gonna go back to the jacuzzi and just relax for a little bit longer. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that water got cold. If you don't move around a lot in it, it will get cold on you. But it sucks. Turn on the blowers. And that turns on the blowers there. Oh my. This is hot. But it's better this way. I prefer to just relax in the hot water. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that water got cold. If you don't move around a lot in it, it will get cold on you. But it sucks. Turn on the blowers. And that turns on the blowers there. Oh my. This is hot. But it's better this way. I prefer to just relax in the hot water.